The tests run in the background. As it launches, you're going to see it's pending first while it's trying to set the call up. And then once it's in progress, it'll take you into this test result where it'll show you the status in progress. This all runs in the background on the server side, so you can come out of here if you want to go do something else, uh, or you can come back in. In this case, you can see the transcript completed. A test result is pending, so it's doing another call to evaluate the pass and the fail criteria. And here's the analysis. It passed. Um, and if you don't agree with this analysis, or it wasn't able to determine a pass fail, it'll say ask for review, and you can come in here and change it and just change the status to what you want it to be. There's an audio recording of the call here, so you can hear how it went. Sometimes the transcripts aren't exact, and the call recording can help clear things up. You can also download it to archive or review later or send to somebody else. And you can see here on the test page that it's now showing as passed. When you run multiple tests, we'll fire off another one. This is an example. You'll see that it'll appear as a list here. And we'll let that run in the background. If you go up to the channel, you can see the status of all the tests that have been run so far. In this case, you can see that we've got the one test that's running. This will always show the most recent result of each test. It's not going to show every result of every test because that wouldn't be particularly useful. Also, if you go back up to the project page, you have the project level results as well as the channel level and the test level that you can see all at once. And if we give this a couple seconds to finish running, we'll get our test result here. So a different version of the transcript now. Still waiting for the analysis. Takes a second or two to come back. In this case, it failed. Um, so if you look at the analysis here, it can tell you what its logic is. So it says it did not get the office hours. And if you come down here to the transcript, it says here the office hours are 5 to 10. So I'm not actually sure why this failed. So in this case, it looks like it actually did what it needed to do. So we'll come in here and we'll change the status to passed, and we'll look at refining our prompt to see if we can make this a little bit more reliable as we go. So now we've updated it showing it as passed here. Same with the channel and the project level.